In the journey of life, think of peace as your travel companion. Imagine it like tending to a garden. You water it with understanding, fertilize it with compassion, and pull out the weeds of discord. Picture every interaction as a chance to add a pleasant note to life's music. To live in peace with everyone, be a gardener who doesn't mind getting their hands dirty. It's not just about avoiding arguments, but about planting seeds of understanding. When conflicts sprout, address them like you would pesky weeds, with patience and a steady hand. Think of peace like a team sport. It's not about who wins or loses, but about playing together. Sometimes you might need to prune your own actions to keep the harmony intact. So picture each day as an opportunity to make your garden of peace thrive. In the end, living in peace isn't something like a grand gesture. It's about the everyday choices that you make. So water your interactions with kindness and watch the garden of peace flourish, not just around you, but inside you. These are Interesting Things with JC.